So, is your AI acting a bit slow? Or maybe it's starting to hallucinate? We're going to fix that today. And here is the real pain: the quota wall. Every messy interaction is a direct withdrawal from your token bank. If your context is full of junk, you're paying for that junk over and over again. Whether you're on Google AI Pro or the free tier, Context Bloat will make you hit your quota limits in minutes, not hours. It's the quickest way to kill your workflow with a quota-exceeded error right when you're in the middle of a deep refactor. I'm showing you how to make your anti-gravity setup effective again. More focus, way less token use, and much higher quality output. Look, every time you type a prompt, three things are fighting for space in your AI's brain. We've got your instructions, your history, and your source code. If you don't manage these, your performance drops. Let's look at the strategy for each. First, instructions. Rules and skills are great, but they act like a constant token tax. The secret: modularize. Use skills and glob patterns so the AI only uses what it needs, when it needs it. Next, history. Chat logs and old planning artifacts are the biggest causes of context bloat. Don't be a hoarder. Start new sessions for new tasks to reset that memory. Finally, source code. Please, don't dump your whole repo into the chat. Trust the index and close those unused tabs. To make this easy, I'm sharing my Antigravity Health Dashboard. It's a tool I built to help you track your brain tasks and monitor context health in real time. The dashboard is free on my GitHub under the Apache 2.0 license. It runs locally as an extension, so your code stays yours. Remember, rules are for guardrails, but skills are for utility. Using the right tool at the right time is how you keep your model sharp and your costs low. Stop fighting your context and start mastering it. Grab the tool, and if you have questions, I'll be in the comments to help. Let's get back to the lab. I'm Tech Dad. See you in the next briefing.